multifunctional side knob, HD LED display, ambient light, radar sensing, automatic flipping when approaching, free your hands, constant temperature and instant heating seat, built-in foam liquid, convenient and hygienic, foam coverage, odor isolation, anti-sticking and splash-proof, aromatherapy deodorization, remove odor, water heated instantly, temperature adjustable, multiple cleaning modes, infrared warm care, gentle and skin-friendly, automatic UV sterilization when the cover is closed, warm air drying, paperless experience, built-in water tank, silent booster pump, no water pressure limit for flushing, mute slow close seat cover.